welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be transforming into a glamorous evil queen using Wet n Wild Beauty's new Fantasy Makers 2020 collection. I love this Halloween makeup look so much because it's really easy to do. It's very minimal when it comes to products. It'll go with any costume, any black costume that you may have. It's kind of goth, it's kind of vampy, it's very glam, and it's just super pretty for Halloween. So the star of the show is this gem face mask that I have on. You just stick these on and you're ready to go. I'm gonna have all the products I used linked down below in the description box, so be sure you check it out. And if you wanna see how to get this look, just keep on watching. We're gonna be recreating this Fantasy Makers Evil Queen makeup look, which was originally done by Jordan Liberty, who is an amazing makeup artist. I love his work. Now let's get into the look and get beautiful. Starting out this look with my base makeup and brows completely done, I'm jumping right into the eye look. We're gonna be using Fantasy Makers MultiStick in purple as a base for the purple shadow we'll be wearing. These sticks are pretty awesome because they can be used on the face, lips, and body. They're really blendable and a great base to use to amp up the look of an eyeshadow. Once that's blended out, I'm using Fantasy Makers 10-pan eyeshadow palette in Boogie Nights. We have some super bright shades in here, and I'm picking up the purple eyeshadow to set in that multi-stick. Blend lightly and outwards for a blown out effect. Then I'm picking up this light purpley pink eyeshadow to further blend. Can't resist some shimmers, so I'm tapping on this shimmery purple shade for some extra shine. I feel like this eyeshadow is best applied with your finger. You'll definitely get more color payoff and more shine. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna be using the same technique that I did before. So first apply Fantasy Makers MultiStick in blue. Then set with this blue eyeshadow from the 10-pan eyeshadow palette. Since this is a Halloween makeup look, don't be afraid to get a little bit smoky. Now for lashes, I'm applying Fantasy Makers false lashes in style Mysterious. I cut them in half and then I just place them on. These lashes are my favorite for Halloween, and I pretty much stock up on them every October because they're perfect for a party look or a more creative look. I love the wispy ends and how they make your eyes look longer. It's just a super fun lash. Now for the best part, Fantasy Makers Face Gem Mask in style Evil Goddess. I love that you don't need any adhesive for this mask or need to individually glue on stones. These pieces are super easy to just stick on, and they really make this evil queen look so much more glam. To add on to the bright pop of blue we have going on, I'm using Fantasy Makers Color Mascara in shade Cobalt Blue and coating my lower lashes. Adding some highlight with Fantasy Makers MegaGlo highlighting powder in shade Howlywood. Look at that awesome skull in the pan. Ugh, I live. Now for a super bold black lip, I'm applying MegaLast lip color in shade Eerie Onyx. And this is the Evil Queen makeup look. I love how it turned out, and if you did too, be sure you like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and have a beautiful Halloween. Bye.